Today I'm going to talk to you about tuning your flute. One of the things that's very important to know is that the position of your head joint actually affects your tuning. When you are too sharp, which means your pitch is a little too high above the proper note, you need to pull your head joint out. If you become flat, you need to push your head joint in. Flat means your pitch is a little bit below the note. Another trick with checking your pitch and your tune is to notice where your mouth is on your flute, on your head joint right here. If you become too flat, maybe you've rolled in too much and you're covering too much of the hole. So try rolling out and testing that on a tuner. Another thing that's very important is to go buy a tuner at your local music store, because this will help you when you're practicing. It's very important to keep in tune, especially when you're playing with other people.